How to check if Win 7 disk is 64-bit and what version. I've got a DVD that I've burnt from an MSDN ISO. I'm not entirely sure if it's Windows 7 64-bit or 32-bit. How can I be sure? Quickest way is to go to the drive root. If you have a file named bootmer.efi, you are running a x64/64-bit version. Next way is disk size. The x86/32-bit version comes out at 2.32 GB whilst the x64/64-bit version comes out at 3.0 GB. Lastly, you can go to the drive root and open the autorun.inf file. In Notepad, the 64-bit version shows. The 32-bit version shows.
Best and quickest way to answer the question about both processor architecture and Windows version is use DISM on, install.vim. Click Start, type CMD, press Enter. Type or paste dism/getwiminfo/wimfile column f column /sources/install.vim replace f column with drive path to installer root. Deployment Image Servicing and Management Tool. Version 6.1.7600.16385. Details for image f:/sources/install.vim. Index 1 name Windows 7 Ultimate activated 32-bit. Description Windows 7 Ultimate size 8,476,902,704 bytes. Index 2 name Windows 7 Ultimate activated 64-bit. Description Windows 7 Ultimate size 12,075,969,989 bytes. The operation completed successfully. Windows version is on the second line. First two dot pairs are OS version. Third and fourth dot pairs are service pack and build info. See Windows version numbers to look up your version. Processor architecture is explicitly shown in the remainder of the Vim info. In this case, this is a dual installer for both 32-bit and 64-bit processors, for Windows 7 Ultimate.
To know which edition, see the a.cfg file located in the sources directory on the installation DVD.
The way would be to see if the disk contains x64 images. Just looking at an MSDN Windows 7 Ultimate x64 DVD and I see the file, and LT, DVD and GT, :/sources/actionq.dll, is x64. To check that it is x64 I used, dumpin/headers and LT, file and GT, dumpin is a Windows SDK tool. Note highlighted line, a x86 executable would have 14C machine, x86. I can't see any file that lists the bitness directly, so this is the quickest way, if you have the SDK tools. Might just be easier to burn a new DVD from the required ISO.